Hey guys, wanted to do a quick guitar tutorial on a song I ran into that was I thought really good. So it's a Rhett song, so it's a country tune, and I was surfing through Instagram and ran into this. So I don't know if there's a radio version. I don't know if he's actually posted any other version of the song, but what I've transcribed and tabbed out is the Instagram version. So he just played it. I thought it was a great tune, fell in love with it, and it's very simple. It has a finger picking pattern, so I thought it'd be a cool tutorial because people that are working on maybe finger picking or changing chords or just learning, getting into this, it might be a good kind of all-around song to pick up some good techniques and song to learn. So the picking pattern is very simple. It's down, up, down, up. So these two strings here, I just pull straight up. So root note goes down, those go up, and repeat that down, up, down, up. The strumming pattern is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So pretty simple. That's the strumming through the whole entire song. The chord changes are actually pretty simple too, which is another reason I kind of chose to just go through this. For the most part, this finger doesn't move. There's 4 chords. It starts off on D, goes to this E over B, to a G, to an A. So the only time you have to lift this finger is that transition from the G to the A. So that's pretty much the 4 chords. So we're going to go with D, E, G, A. So there's one slight change at the end of the song, right before the outro. He goes from this G to the A, and then he just repeats that one time, and then he starts the progression over. So it goes back to the D. So I went ahead and did a tab. I'll post the link to that in the description below. Very simple song. I do want to just run through it real quick. You can follow along. I'm not a singer by any means. I'm going to have my daughter sing in the background kind of over me so I don't sound horrible, but I want to give you the gist of the song and just how it goes. So if you have any questions, that's kind of how it goes. I got the song, the tab, the lyrics, and everything below. So this is the song. Yeah, there's been times where I thought that my prayers never made it past the ceiling, much less the sky. And I've had doubts, questions about my faith, but I don't really even know why, how. 'Cause I look at this green-eyed girl from Tennessee, the one I bothered you about since I was 17, and now I know that I wasn't wasting breath or words. 'Cause I look at her and I'm pretty sure you heard. You heard. This old guitar Dad played in bars. Soon as it was mine, I started seeing shooting stars. Played at parties, out in fields, and I hoped one day by the grace of you that it might pay the bills. And now I look at these people sitting in these seats, this dream I bothered you about since I could barely sing. And now I know that I wasn't wasting breath or words. My face is on a shirt and I'm pretty sure you heard. Pretty sure. Yeah, we tried for a while. I got pretty mad at you, no, I ain't gonna lie. People say you got a way of being pretty funny while you make us wait. But I look at these babies climbing up on me, the ones I bothered you about since I was 23. And now I know that I wasn't wasting breath or words, 'cause I look at them and I look at her, and it's more than I deserve, yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Pretty sure, yeah. So that there is the song. So it is played with respect to the capo on the 2nd fret, but the overall tone of the song is actually in, I believe, E major. So if you wanted to play it without a capo or strum it, the chords would be as followed. So you could do the same picking pattern, just move up to the lower strings here and just pluck it like this. So start off on E major, F sharp minor, then we would change to A, and then to B. Yeah, there's been times where I thought that my prayers never made it past the ceiling, much less the sky, and I've had doubts. So that would be the overall key of the song. Yeah, I'll post the link to the tab below. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to write. Thanks for watching.